Top 5 Best Ethernet Cable Tester. Klein Tools VDV 501-851 Cable Tester Kit with Scout Pro 3 for Ethernet, data, coax, video and phone cables, 5 locator remotes, yellow and just $89.97. Versatile cable testing. Cable tester tests voice, RJ11/12, data, RJ45, and video, coax F connector, terminated cables providing clear results for comprehensive testing. Extended cable length measurement. Measure cable length up to 2,000 feet, 610 meters, allowing for precise cable length determination. Comprehensive fault detection. Test for open, short, miswire, or split pair faults, ensuring thorough fault detection and identification. Backlit LCD display. Backlit LCD screen displays cable length, wire map, cable ID, and test results, ensuring easy readability in various lighting conditions. Efficient cable tracing. Trace cables, wire pairs, and individual conductor wires using the multiple style tone generator. Requires analog probe cat. No VDV 500-123 sold separately, simplifying cable tracing tasks. Hub link mode. Hub link mode enables the identification of port locations on a hub or switch, facilitating efficient network management. Multi-cable run mapping. LAN map and coax map location remotes, 5 each, allow for mapping and ID of multiple cable runs in a single step, enhancing cable management and organization. RJ45 Cable Tester Network Cable Tester Ethernet Wire Test Tool for LAN Phone. RJ45, RJ11, RJ12 Cat5 Cat5 E Cat6 Cat6 A Cat7 UTP Shield Cable in just $9.79. General purpose. This RJ45 cable tester can be applied in testing not only UTP and Shield RJ45 Cat5E Cat6 Cat6A cable, but also RJ11 RJ12 telephone lines. Battery not included. Require one-piece 9-volt 6F22 battery. Automatic operation. Inserting the cables. This cable tester will run automatically. The LED light will display status. Any troubleshoots such as the short circuit, open circuit, crossline can be found rapidly and easily. Can be tested remotely. Our RJ45 network cable tester is convenient to hold in hand for its mini size, and it comes apart, master unit and remote unit, so you can test even when the cable's ends are in different place, as long as if the distance within limited circle of about 100 meters. Gold-plated shielded socket. This RJ45 cable tester uses a gold-plated shielded socket, which will not rust, has stronger oxidation resistance, is more resistant to plugging, and has a longer service life. Durable and sturdy. The outer shell of our network cable tester is made of environmentally friendly high resin, which has drop resistance and durability. We changed newly created lighting-emitting diodes from traditional LED for manufacturing a host of RJ45 RJ11 cable testers, which is conducive to distinguish clearly and quickly positions of wrongly configured wires. Klein Tools VDV 526-100 Network LAN Cable Tester, VDV Tester, LAN Explorer with remote in just $29.97. Efficient cable testing. Cable tester with single button testing of RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 terminated voice and data cables. Versatile cable support. Tests CAT3, CAT5E, and Cat66A cables, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cable types. Fast LED responses. LED indicators provide fast and clear cable status indications, including pass, miswire, open fault, short fault, and shield. Secure test remote storage. Test remote securely stores in the tester body, preventing loss or damage. Compact and portable. Compact tester easily fits in your pocket, allowing for convenient and on-the-go testing. Auto power off feature. Auto power off feature conserves battery life, with a 9 volts battery included for immediate use. Battery indicator. Low battery indicator alerts you when the battery is running low, ensuring uninterrupted testing. Klein Tools VDV 526-200 Cable Tester, LAN Scout Junior 2 Ethernet Cable Tester for Cat5e, Cat66A cables with RJ45 connections, black-yellow in just $54.97. Versatile cable testing. Cable tester for data, RJ45, Terminated cables and patch cords, ensuring comprehensive testing capabilities. Large backlit LCD. Backlit LCD display enables easy reading of pin-to-pin wire map results, even in low-lit areas. Comprehensive fault detection. Test for open, short, miswire, split pair faults, crossover and shield, providing thorough fault detection. Intuitive user interface. User-friendly interface with 3 buttons and simple, easy-to-identify test responses, ensuring a smooth testing experience. Multiple tone generator styles, tone on a single wire, wire pair, or all 8 conductor wires, using the multiple style tone generator. Solid warble, requires probe cat. No VDV 500 to 123 sold separately. Auto power off feature. Auto power off feature activates after 10 minutes in test mode and 60 minutes in tone mode, conserving battery life. Convenient and efficient. Compact and portable design for easy transport, allowing for on-the-go cable testing. IMBA price. RJ45 network cable tester for LAN phone, RJ45, RJ11, RJ12, Cat5, Cat6, Cat7 UTP wire test tool in just $9.99. Automatically runs all tests and checks for continuity, open, shorted, and crossed wire pairs. Visible LED status display. Cable state testing, 2-wire. Line DC detecting, anode and cathode determination, ringing signal detecting, open, short and cross-circuit testing. Cable type. RJ11 telephone cable and RJ45 LAN cable. Connectors. Ethernet Cat5, Ethernet Cat5e, Ethernet Cat6, Ethernet Cat7, RJ11 6P and RJ45 8P. Power source, District of Columbia 9V. Battery required, not included.